How you doing, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Today I've got an unboxing. I received a package from the Royal Mint. I think I know what it is. It should be the Snowman 2020 50p coin. Let's get this open and have a look. Yeah, it is. Okay, I'll put these to the side. That's paperwork. Here's the actual coin. Oh, it's left a dirty mark on my table. Okay, so let me see what I've got here. I've got 3 bunks. I'm pretty sure I've only ordered 2. They've given me 3. I've got to check. I've got to check the invoice. I'm pretty sure I ordered just 2 though. Maybe I ordered 3. I'm not sure. But brilliant! Look at this. It's the Royal Mint Snowman 2020 50p coin. What I'll do is, I've got 2 extra. I was meant to have 1 extra, but I've got 2 extra, so I'll give these away. Let's put this to one side. Oh, that looks really cute, doesn't it? It's like a warm Christmas feeling. You know, I watched this when I was a kid, the Snowman. The Snowman 50p reunites 2 familiar friends whose unforgettable adventure brings us together every Christmas. So with the Snowman 50p coin, this is the 3rd in this series. The first released it in 2018, then 2019, and this is the 3rd one in 2020. Let's get this open. No, I don't want to rip it. I think it's stuck. There you go. So what they've done this year is, instead of the usual Bunc that they give, they've designed it into a card. There you go. Wishing you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. May your home be filled with joy and laughter. I think it's special, you know, they've done something different this year. I think it's really cute. Obviously over here you've got the specifications. This is possibly the last coin that they've issued in 2020. Unbelievable. So next month they'll have 2021 on these coins, which is it's going to be weird. This year's gone quick. Excellent. Christmas card. Well, it's Christmas next week, so I don't think I'll be giving this away before next week. I'll give it away next year, sometime early next year. So you've got a Christmas card to give to someone special next year. Or you can just keep it. It's a nice Bunc. It's a nice card, this one. You've seen the design of this snowman. I like how they got the snow on the actual coin. Nice, nice. Then you've got the envelope that they've provided. Just a standard envelope, really. Nice. Let me put this to one side. And the silver proof 2020. Oh, look at this here. Can you see it in the camera? In the video? It's like snowdrops on the side of the box. Yeah, can you see it there? That's pretty cool. There you go, you can see it more now. Can you see it? I mean, I can see it, obviously. There you go, you can see bits of it here. Looks like marks, but they're actually it's a pretty cool design. Let's get this open. So again, this is the Snowman 2020 UK 50p silver proof coin. See the writing on the back. A little boy builds a snowman. At the stroke of midnight, his creation comes to life. Wow, it's been 40 years. I'll just leave this to the side over there. Let me just check the packaging. Okay, number. So I've got 1010. It's not bad. Out of a possible 7010. One moment, let me just take the light and make it a bit brighter for you guys. Okay, so this is pretty funny. If you read the first line, since at least 1282, the coins struck by the Royal Mint have been independently and rigorously checked to determine their quality and fineness. They must be lacking these past few years. I mean, I've got a James Bond coin. Well, I've got all three this year. Proof quality. And when it arrived, it had fingerprints on. So I'm not sure what kind of rigorous checks they've been doing. And then I think on my Diversity silver proof coin, there's a little nick on it. The first line's hilarious. Okay, so we've got this booklet. This wasn't in on the Bunc, so this is completely different to what you get with the Bunc. With the Bunc, you just got the actual Christmas card and the 50p coin, but with the silver proof coin, you've got this little booklet with this beautiful artwork. Oh wow, look at that. You know, looking at these pictures, it brings me back to my childhood. The Northern Lights. More than 40 years after it was first published, The Snowman remains as popular as ever. As well as the book and the film, the story has spawned a critically acclaimed musical, a video game, and a touring exhibition featuring original prints. Oh, do you know the original print for this? I actually wanted it. It was sold out so quickly on the Royal Mint website. I really wanted that print. There you go, that's Raymond Briggs, the illustrator. And that's the designer of the coin, Robin Shaw. That's pretty cool artwork there. Then there's a quote from the designer, Robin Shaw. Nice. I enjoyed that one, looking into that book. See, sometimes when you get the silver proof and you get the Bunc, sometimes they're very similar with what you get with the packages, and sometimes they're different. This one happens to be different. With the Bunc, it was just a Christmas card and a 50p coin, whereas with the silver proof coin, you've got this cute little booklet here. It's nice. Okay, so there's the coin. From looking at it, the coin looks good. I can't see any blemishes. And the box itself, it's magnetic. You just put the coin, look at the design. It's pretty cute. But yeah, let's look at the coin. It's a nice coin. I can't see any damages on the coin, so they've sent me a nice one. Actually, just give me one moment. I'm gonna look at this later on. I thought I saw something. But it could just be dust on the actual case. With this coin, I mean, to me it looks like a sticker has been put on the actual coin. But it does look cute though. Nice. In terms of the colour, I prefer the Winnie the Pooh series. The Winnie the Pooh series, the colour coins look a lot better than this. But it's still a nice coin, it's very nice. 2020. I'm happy with this one actually, to be honest. I'm very happy with this. Now with the silver proof finish, it's kind of a frosty icing on the coin, which you don't get on normal coins. Excellent, nice. So let's compare it with the Bunc. Brilliant, I actually like this one. Let me just put this back in. So I'll put this away and I will check in a few months, because with these coins, the silver proof coins from the Royal Mints, I have seen on YouTube and on other channels and even on forums that after a few months the coins, they get damaged in the case. They get milk spots, which, I mean, it does happen, but it shouldn't happen on silver proof coins. I've got bullion, they after a few months they get milk spots, which is normal because you're just paying for the actual silver, whereas with this, it's a silver proof coin. There shouldn't be any damages on this. But at the moment it looks perfect. It's a beautiful coin, very stunning. I love the frosting as always on the silver proof. Nice. So with the Buncs, I'll keep this one, but I've got two more, so I'll be giving these away. I'll have like a giveaway or a competition. I'm not sure when I'll do it, so stay tuned, and in future videos I'll be giving these coins away. Now I've also been to the bank today. I've got 50p coins, so I've filmed it already. I've filmed the coin hunt already. I'll probably release it later on tonight or maybe tomorrow. But make sure you watch that one. I've got some, I found some amazing coins. I don't want to spoil it. I've got coins that I've never had before in the coin hunt. So make sure you stay tuned for that one. Thank you so much for watching. Please stay safe and please subscribe. Give it a like, hit the subscribe button, and stay safe, and I'll see you soon. Thank you. Bye.